Hi, welcome back to Namuna Data Channel. Hongyadong is accessible by Metro Line 1 and Line 6. The top floor of Hongyadong is at Shaoxitu Station, Exit 9. However, we choose a different route by bus to get to the lower floor of Hongyadong, which is by the river. The bonus was that I'm suddenly arrived at the Gaosheng Chuangfu Center. Shall we start the journey? This is Hongjibing Metro Station. Nearby this metro station, bus stop name called Hongjibing. I will take bus here to Hongyadong Riverside. Follow me to watch. Wow! Look at the highway! I am going to Hongyadong, so I got off here. Took about half hour to walk. Become same thing again. Oh, so cute. I saw the orange color bridge near Hongyadong. It's very beautiful at night. During the daytime, no shining. Wow, now I understand. I need to come down here. Then I need to walk around the river, go straight. Then I will be reaching Hongyadong. Follow me. It go on top to the bridge. Ah, very beautiful. Wow, look at this. I will be arriving soon. Hongyadong. Before I go to Hongyadong, cut across this road, go inside this building, then you take the elevator, follow until 22nd floor. Let's see how. Wow, ta-da-dang! Alright, Gaosheng Chuangfu Center, which is a bonus. Famous influencer spot. The coolest part is that when you are up there, it feels like you are standing at ground level, but in reality, you actually on the 22nd floor. Is it right? I take the elevator, 22nd floor, then I'm reaching here. Wow. This is always see on YouTube 20 floor the one.
True.
Yes.
Yeah, this what?
Oh, it's okay.
Chinese called greasing loaf.
Correct. Finish one job
过边全部都是拿着3天的么子呢？
这个开不起，这个
我都没打过的那个了。
Thank you for
这边
watching.
了。
See you in next video. Bye bye.